Fact about Trambakeshwar Shiv Temple is an ancient Hindu temple in the town of Trambak in the Trambakeshwar Tahsil in the Nashik district of Maharashtra, India, 28 km from the city of Nashik and 40 km from the Nashik road. It is dedicated to the Hindu god Shiva and is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas where the Hindu generally register at Trambakeshwar, Maharashtra are kept. The origin of the sacred Godavari river is near Trambak. Kushavarta Kund in the temple premises built by Srimanta Sardar Ravsaheb Panerkar, who was the Phadnavis of Indore state, is the source of the Godavari river, the second longest river in India. A bust of Sardar Phadnavis and his wife can be seen on the edge of the Kund. The current temple was built by Peshwa Balaji Bajirao after it is destroyed by Mughal ruler Aurangzeb. The temple is located between three hills, namely Brahmagiri, Nilgiri and Kalagiri. The temple has three lingas, Shiv, Vishnu and Brahma. The temple architecture type Hemadpanthi. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like the video.